Welcome everybody to the Cryptic Chevy channel. Doing a quick video here today to show you how to install door speakers in your Chevy Silverado. It's pretty quick and easy. Only a few tools that you'll need. A drill will help. And this should work on pretty much any Silverado with the refresh setup like you see on the front door panel I have here. I'll go through that one and then I'll show you the removal of the rear door panel speakers as well. But a few things you're going to need: drill, 7mm socket, little pick tool, and a pry tool. Now I've had the door panel off already, so the pry tool I probably will not need, and the only thing that you're going to use the pick for is just to get your little door cup handle pad that covers the two 7mm screws that are underneath of it that you're going to have to remove first. And then you have two 7mm screws on the bottom. So I'm going to remove these two that are inside here real quick. I'm going to come down here to the bottom, remove the two that are down here. Once you remove those, it's really just a matter of popping the factory pins that are held into the door panel and all the way around. And then I'm going to slide your panel up so that it goes over the window assembly and the door lock mechanism there. And then you have your lock handle mechanism, which is door handle, push down, pull out. You'll see there's really no other way to do that. And then you also have your power window switch cover. Which on there, it's just a matter of pushing forward the red locking tab to release this lever that locks the plug into place when you have it. Now, as you can see, I've done some Dynamat inside of here. Behind the speaker bracket, I did put in kicker comp 6x9s. And this does have a 6x9 bracket around where the Dynamat is behind. And I use the speaker plugs that were sent to me along with the speakers from Crutchfield. But that's it. So remove the front door panel and I'll show everybody how to get it back on here. Very simple. Following your steps back the other way. And get your plug back in. Make sure that you put your locking tab back in. And then you have your door handle assembly. And when you're putting it back up, you make sure you get it back on your you're just gonna pop your pins back in to the door. Sometimes it's a little stubborn to seat back up over the top, but you gotta make sure you get that into that lip. Otherwise, your pins will not pop back in. Just run around the perimeter, make sure that they're all in there firmly. Take your 4 7mm screws, 2 back in the cup, the door handle, and then your 2 at the bottom. Cup holder cover back in. And then we'll move back to the back door. Which you'll see is almost exactly the same. Just gonna pop that cup holder cover out, just like we did up in the front. And you got 2 7mm screws again at the top in the handle, and then back here you actually can only have 1 7mm screw to remove there. And then again, just popping the pins out. Don't be alarmed, you will hear, especially if you have not had your door panel off before. It sounds like it's breaking, but it's not. Be confident and be quick and easy. Now here, again, you have your door handle assembly. Come off there. Your lock, which is the same, like up in the front. And let that hang down. And then you have your plug as well in the back here. And a couple 7mm to remove your speaker here, which looks like somehow the one that I've already installed had some damage inside the door after it was already complete, so we'll have to fix that. But nonetheless, very easy. But as you can see here, all of the Chevy plugs have this locking tab here. You got to make sure that you slide that back before you depress the lever on the harness to pull and unplug. Now when you're going to, again, I've had these off before, it's Installed some dynamite in there. When you're putting your door panel back on, making sure that pop your lock up inside the handle first. And your handle release mechanism. Then your harness. Plug it back in, then pop your lock portion back in. And we'll just go up, make sure you're up over the windowsill here. And you'll pop your plugs in, pins in all the way around. 2 7mm screws back in at the center. And one down at the bottom. And that's it. Thank you everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe. And have an awesome day.